Assalamu alaikum students of grade 5. Hopefully you all are fine in your homes. Today I am going to deliver a lecture of your unit 5. How am I doing, so that you will be able to do your worksheet easily. Question number 1 is listen and complete the missing words. Brave Bushra stops traffic. Brave Bushra stops traffic is the topic name. On Monday morning, 10-year-old Bushra Rashid prevented a bad traffic accident in the mall with the dash dupatta of her school uniform. In dash it is red, R-E-D, red. With the red dupatta of her school uniform, Bushra was walking across the busy road. In dash answer is road, R-O-A-D. Bushra was walking across the busy road with her dash. Answer is mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Bushra was walking across the busy road with her mother when 83-year-old Tariq Ali fell over near the traffic. Near the traffic. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic light. When 83-year-old Tariq Ali fell over near the traffic light, Bushra waved her red dupatta and stopped the traffic. Bushra waved her red dupatta and stopped the traffic. S-T-O-P-P-E-D. Then she helped him across the street. S-T-R-E-E-T. Then she helped him across the street. She asked her mother to call an ambulance because his dash was hurt. Arm, A-R-M, arm. She asked her mother to call an ambulance because his arm was hurt. Next paragraph. I was worried when Bushra walked into the road. W-A-L-K-E-D. Walked into the road, said her mother, but now I feel proud of her. P-R-O-U-D. Proud of her because she saved the L-I-F-E, life of an elderly man. Because she saved the life of an elderly man. Next question, question number 2. Match the task to the text type. Match the task to the text type. Part A. Express an opinion in answer to question. Express an opinion in answer to questions. And the correct answer is 4, interview. So in A you will write 4, interview. A, 4. B part, express an opinion in organized paragraphs. Expressed an opinion in organized paragraphs. And the answer is 5, argument. Argument. In B you will write 5. C, tell a fictional story that happened. Tell a fictional story from long ago. Tell a fictional story from long ago. C is 1, traditional tale. Traditional tale. C is 1, traditional tale. In C, in front of C you will write 1. D, tell a true story that happened recently. Tell a true story that happened recently. D is 6, news report. D is 6, news report. Part E, write ideas with rhythm and rhyme. Write ideas with rhythm and rhyme. E is 3, rhyming poem. Rhyming poem. Then F, write to a friend. Write to a friend, it is 2, informal letter. Letters which are written to your sisters, your your family members, your friends are informal letters. On the other hand, letters which you write for your business purposes are formal letters. Okay, question number 3. Complete the words with lit, pro, ex, pre, phon or multi. First one is done for you. A dash m is the smallest sound in a word. So the answer is phon. The complete word is phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest sound in a word. Part B. Someone who is dash irate can read and write. Someone who is dash irate can read and write. The answer is lit. So the word became literate. Someone who is literate can read and write. Next, part C. A dash story building has many floors. A dash story building has many floors. So the answer is multi. M-U-L-T-I. A multi-story building has many floors. Any building who has many floors in it, it is called multi-story building. The other is the dash it if a room is the way out. So the answer is EX and the word became exit. The exit of a room is the way out. The exit of a room is the way out. Part E. Someone who likes the idea of space travel is dash space travel. Someone who likes the idea of space travel is pro space travel. PRO. Pro space travel mean who wants to do it in future. Pro space travel. Part F. The time before space travel was invented was dash space travel. Answer is pre. It means the time before space travel was invented or done. It is pre-space travel. Now, page number 47. Page number 47, question number 4. Use your mini dictionary to complete the word in these definitions. Page number 47, question number 4. First one is done for you. Invention. Something that someone has made for the first time. Part B. Geo is written. You have to find out what is the complete word. The study of shapes and lines. So the answer is geometry. You have done geometry many times in your maths subject. Geometry. The study of shapes and lines is geometry. METRY. C. Geology. C is geo and the answer is logy. The study of rocks. Geology. LOGY. Geology. The study of rocks. Part D. Para dash a group of written sentences about the same topic. A group of written sentences about the same topic. Paragraph. GRAPH. Part E. Techne. Someone who works with machines. Answer is technician. ICIAN will be included. Technician. Someone who works with machines are called technicians. Part F. Techen. To do with machines and making things. To do with machines. Who work with machines and make things is called technical. ICAL. Technical. Hemi dash. Half of a ball or a planet. Half of a ball or a planet. If we draw a ball, its half part is called hemi. Half part is called hemisphere. SPHERE. SPHERE. Hemisphere. Okay, next is question number 5. In your notebook, list the following from exercise 1 using commas. You have to find out 3 nouns, 3 adjectives, 3 pronouns, 3 determiners, 3 noun phrases, 3 prepositions from this exercise. Any 3 of the following can be listed. Nouns used in these are, one is given to you: accident, morning, dupatta. Accident, morning, dupatta, school uniform. Determiners are a, the, an. a, the, and. Adjectives are brave, bad, red, busy, hurt. Adjectives are brave, bad, red, busy, hurt. Adjectives mean something which add meaning to the noun. Something which add meaning to the noun is called adjective. Noun phrases are like 10-year-old Bishra, a bad traffic accident, the red dupatta. A bad traffic accident, the red dupatta. Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. These are she, him, I, her. She, him, I, her. Prepositions are in, across, with. In, across, with. Next question is, copy and punctuate the letter correctly in your notebook. Copy and punctuate the letter correctly in your notebook. As you can see in this letter, all the capital letters, the words who should start with the capital letters, the letters are written small in it. The first thing to change, and then you have to do the punctuations in it. I have done it for you. As you can see, you have to write it in your notebooks. 37 HKR Colony. 37 HKR Colony, Lahore, Friday, 18th November. 18th November. Then come to the side. Start with Dear Mr. Ali. My mother told me that you broke your arm when you fell over in the mall. My mother told me that you broke your arm when you fell over in the mall. What bad luck. Full stop. Then what bad luck. Then sign of exclamation. Then I hope you are feeling better now. It's a mistake over here. Feeling better now. I hope you are feeling better now. Full stop. Then, is your arm in a sling? Is your arm in a sling? Question mark. Okay. W will came just under the M. The next word will came just under the line. When the paragraph is end over here, then W, the word wishing you a quick recovery, it start under the M. Wishing you a quick recovery. Then best wishes came under the W. BEST, best wishes. Then Bushra. This is the correct pattern of writing a letter. Okay. Now next question. Question number 7. Write Mr. Ali's letter back to Bushra using the writing frame. First of all, part A, make up the address of the hospital on the right. Put the date below. So it is done for you. City Hospital, it is written on the right. First the name of the hospital, City Hospital, then Lahore, and then date Tuesday 22nd November. Tuesday 22nd November. B part is write Dear Bushra on the left below. Thank her for her letter. On the left, Dear Bushra, thank you very much for your kind letter. Thank you very much for your kind letter. After that, part C, tell her how you are feeling and answer her question. I am feeling much better now. Thank you. Full stop. Luckily, comma, my arm is not in a sling, comma, so I am able to eat by myself. So I am able to eat by myself and read the newspaper. Full stop. I am also able to write letters and cards, comma, like this one to you. Part D. Tell her a good term at school and sign the letter. Tell her how you are feeling and answer the question. Then wish her a good term at school and sign her letter. then I will came when the paragraph is ended over here, then I will came just after just under the T or I used before. I hope you have a good term at school. Then I will came B will came under the I. Best wishes, and this is the sign Tariq Ali. So it is the end of your explanation of unit number 5. Be very keen by listening. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.